you can expand the determinant along any row or any column. And how to expand is by using any row. Suppose if I'm using for this particular one, if I'm using the first row, it is as a cofactor of A11. Cofactor of A11, which is denoted by capital A11, is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. Or the cofactor of the element Aij is denoted by capital Aij, which is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. This is the cofactor of A11. Here, the cofactor of A11 is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11, and this is equal to minus 1 raised to an even number, it is plus M11. M11 is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing A11. Means you delete the first row and first column. So you are getting a determinant A22, A23, A32 and A33. So this value, the determinant value is A22 into A33 minus A32 into A23. This is a way you have to find out the cofactor. And the value of the determinant is always A11 into A cofactor of A11 plus A12 into cofactor of A12 plus A13 into cofactor of A13. You can expand the determinant along any row or any column. If you are using the second row, here is a second row. If you are using the second row, this second row if you are using, what will be the value of the determinant is, you can see here A21 into the cofactor of A21 plus next A22 into the cofactor of A22 plus A23 into cofactor of A23. Evaluate this determinant. So now I am going to expand the determinant along the first row. That means how to find 3 into its cofactor. Presently I am not writing the cofactor now. 3 into the cofactor. I am leaving the space and writing plus the second element of first row is minus 4. Minus 4 into its cofactor plus cofactor I am not writing plus 5 into its cofactor. Now you find out the cofactor of 3. 3 into its cofactor. First of all, you should know that cofactor is assigned minus. First, I am concentrating on the sign of the cofactor. The first element 3, its cofactor will be plus. I'm putting plus here. Then for the second element minus 4, the cofactor will be of minus sign. So I'm putting minus sign here, and plus 5 into the cofactor sign will be plus. So plus. Now again come back. The 3 into its cofactor. 3 into cofactor of 3. How to find the cofactor of 3? First of all, I have put the sign of the cofactor, that is plus. Then you delete the row and column containing 3. So I am getting a determinant. After deleting the row and column containing 3, which determinant I am getting is determinant 1 minus 2, then 3, 1. Plus minus 4 into the cofactor of minus 4. Cofactor of minus 4, and I have already put the sign of the cofactor. The sign will be here minus. So I have put minus. Now you need to delete the row and column containing minus 4. the row containing minus 4 and the column containing minus 4 I am deleting. So what I am getting next is the determinant 1 minus 2, 2, 1. 1 minus 2, 2, 1. Plus 5 into the cofactor of 5. To get the cofactor of 5, what you need is first you put the sign of the cofactor, that becomes plus, into, now you have to find out the determinant obtained by deleting the row and column containing 5. That means the first row you have to delete and the third column also you have to delete, and after that what you are getting is the determinant obtained by taking these four elements, that is 1, 1, 2, 3. Next, you have to evaluate the value. 3 into, you know how to find the value of this determinant of matrix of order 2. It is 1 into 1 minus 3 into minus 2 plus, next is find the answer. Is 0. The next one is, so now the remaining practice matrix adjoint of a matrix. Please write the heading matrix A. I have a matrix. I'm just taking one example only. Take a 3 by 3 matrix. I'm writing A11, A12, A13, then A21, A22, A23, A31, A33, sorry, A32, A33. Now, adjoint of the matrix is defined as, you write like this, adj A, that means adjoint of a matrix A. It is a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix is a matrix which is the transpose of the matrix obtained by replacing every element by its own cofactor. First of all, it is a transpose of a matrix obtained by replacing every element of A by its cofactor. That means instead of A11, I write the cofactor of A11. Instead of A12, I write the cofactor of A12, which is denoted by capital A12. So every element you replace by its own cofactor. So you'll be getting a matrix like this. And then you take the transpose of this. This is known as adjoint of the matrix. 6, 7, 8, you have to find out and replace each of these element by its cofactor. So I'm writing A11. A11 is cofactor of 1 and its sign will be, you know the sign of the cofactors first. This is plus, इसका minus होगा, इसका plus होगा, minus होगा, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now cofactor का sign पहले मैं डाल दिया. Now I'm going to write the cofactor of 1. What will be that? Plus the row and column containing 1 I will delete and you will get which determinant? 5, 6, 8, 9. It is 5, 6, 8, 9. and its value is 45 minus 48. The value is minus 3. Next, I am going to find out the cofactor of 2 or A12. The first row I am completing. A12, you can see that the sign of the cofactor is minus. Then I delete the row and column containing 2. I am getting the determinant. This one 4, 6, 7, 9. Right. 4, 6, 7, 9. So its value is equal to, instead of, see, when minus is coming, I have another technique. Instead of 4 into 9 first, I take 7 into 6 first. 7 into 6, that is 42 minus 36. So that one more step you can avoid. So you are getting the answer as 6. Next one is your A13. That is the cofactor of 3. The cofactor of 3. Sign of the cofactor is plus only. Sign of the cofactor is plus. Now, what is the determinant we get? The row and column containing 3, when you delete, you will get 4, 5, 7, 8. 4, 5, 7, 8. So its value is 4 into 8. 32 minus 35. The value is minus 3. First row over. Now I am going to the second row. At the second row, I will use a different color. Yeah, green. Second row, that is A21. Then next you have to find out A22 and then A23. So A21. A21 means 4 ka cofactor. And what is the sign of the cofactor? It is, you always have to remember starting with plus only. So this is plus. इसका प्लस था, इसका माइनस है. So cofactor का sign minus है. So it is minus. The row and column containing 4 you delete. So what you get? You are getting 4 members. That is your 2, 3, 2, 3, 8, 9. 2, 3, 8, 9. So its minus sign is there. I am just multiplication in a different way. That is 24 minus 18. 6. Next is A22. A22 means इसका factor का sign plus है. So now delete the row and column containing 5. So what you get? You get 4 members. After deleting the row and column containing, what you get? It is 1, 3, 7, 8. 1, 3, 7, 8. Its value is 8 minus 21. One, 3, 7, 9. Sorry. 7, 9. So that is minus 12. Okay. Next comes A23. A23 means you have to delete the row and column containing A23. Means second row and third column you are deleting. So what you are getting is the four elements. Which are the four elements? It is 1, 2, 7, 8. Row and column containing 6. When you delete, you get four elements 1, 2, 7, 8. And cofactor का sign क्या था? It is minus. So here one minus will come. So you will do the multiplication first. This 7 into 8. 7 into 2, 14 minus 8. So answer is 6. So A31 means cofactor का sign plus है. Now the row and column containing 1 you delete, you get four elements 2, 3, 5, 6. 2, 3, 5, 6, and its value is 12 minus 15, which is equal to minus 3. So what is the next step? All the cofactors you found, now you have to replace every element of A by its cofactor. So I'm just cutting out all this. Instead of these elements 1, 2, 3, first row elements, now we are replacing with the only with the cofactors. That means minus 3, 6 minus 3 will take place the first row. The first row will be minus 3, 6 minus 3. Okay, so that is a cofactors minus 3, 6 minus 3 that I have written. Now for the second row, I'll take this, right? 6 minus 12 to 6. 6 minus 12, 6. What I did is, the second row is replaced with only with the cofactors. 6 minus 12, 6. Now the third row, it will be replaced by the cofactors. That is minus 3, 6 minus 3. Minus 3, 6 minus 3. So now I am getting a matrix. And transpose of this matrix is the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is, after replacing every element by its cofactor, you have to take a transpose. So what is the final answer? Transpose of this matrix means the first row becomes the first column. That is minus 6, minus 3, 6 minus 3. The second row becomes the second column. That means it is 6 minus 12, 6. The third row becomes the third column. It is minus 3, 6, minus 3. So this matrix is called the adjoint of the matrix. Matrix A. So I have found a very easy method. If you are able to copy down, that is, see here, children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This matrix, if you want to find adjoint, what technique I found is very, see, I'm just copying down the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What I'm going to do is, the first two columns I copy down. First two columns means 1, 4, 7. Then without any mistake, अगर एक mistake हो गया तो पूरा आंसर गया. 2, 5, 8. What I did is, first two columns, this column and this column I copied. Next I copy the first two rows. उसका parallelly copy करेगा, वो नीचे copy करेगा. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then the second row, that is 4, 5, 6, 4, 5. I hope I have not done any mistake. After that, I simply delete this first column and this first row. After that, I simply multiply. So 5 into 9 minus 8 into 6. What it is? 5 into 9. 45. So first I am getting 45 minus 48. Right. 45 minus 48. Understood? So it's easy method I am showing. 45 minus 48. It is minus 3. Next I multiply like this. 4, 6 into 7. 42 minus 36. 42 minus 36. How much it is coming? 6. Next I multiply this. 32 minus 35. How much I am getting? Minus 3. And you can see that this has becomes the first row. That is, I have found the cofactors of first row. Okay. Now cofactors of second row. In the same manner you multiply. That is, next 8 into 3. 8 into 3, that is 21 minus 18. So what I am getting? Sorry, 8 into 3. 24 minus 18. Okay. 24, I am writing here. 24 minus 18. So what I am getting, the answer is 6. This is minus 3, 6. Next, what I do is 9 minus 21. Next, 9 minus 21. How much is 9 minus 21? Minus 12. Next, I am doing 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8. So what I am getting is 6. And you can see that these numbers have become the cofactor of the second row. See here, it is a second row. 6 minus 12, 6. 6 minus 12, 6. Okay. Now for the third row, the same technique I use. 2 into 6, that is 12, minus 5 into 3, 15. So what I am getting is minus 3. Next, 3 into 4, 12 minus 6 into 1. So I'm getting the answer as 6. Next, 1 into 5, 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8. I'm getting the answer minus 3. So you are getting a matrix, and this matrix is actually, it is, you can just see that it's the same as the previous one only, and take the transpose of that, that becomes adjoint. Adjoint of A is, now take the transpose of this, minus 3, 6, minus 3, 6, minus 12, 6, minus 3, 6, minus 3. So the same answer only you are getting. And here the mistake, if you are very careful with copying the rows and columns, the less mistake comes here. So I sometimes teach like element. For example, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, minus 1, 4. First I copy down the same elements without any mistake. After that, I copy the first two columns. What I do? First column I am copying. and that parallelly you have to write. When you copy the column, you are making another column. First, that is the first column is repeated. 1, 6, 2. Again the second column I repeat. 3, 7, minus 1. I hope you understood this. Now after that, first I copy the first two columns. After that I copy the first two rows. पूरा रो कॉपी करेगा. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7. No mistake should happen here. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3 and 6, 7, 8, 6, 7. I just copied. First I copied the matrix elements, then copy C1, C2. Second step, copy R1, R2. Then after that, I delete the first row. I delete the first row and the first column. Now you, without looking here and there, in the serial order, you will multiply. Multiply in the sense, what you will do? Here you will get 7 into 4, 28 minus 1 into 8. Next, 8 into 2, 16 minus 4 into 6, that is 24. Next, 6 into minus 1, minus 6 minus 2 into 7, that is 14. Okay, then that's the first row cofactors we got. Now second row cofactors, how do we get? Second row cofactor means you will go here second row. That is minus 1 into 4, minus 4, minus 3 into 4, that is 12. Again 4 into 1, 4 minus 4 into 2, that is 8. Again 2 into 3, 6 minus 1 into minus 1. So it is minus 1. Second row cofactors over. Now for the third row cofactors, I go here. 3 into 8, that is 24 minus 7 into 4, 28. Next, 6 into 4, 24 minus 8 into 1, 8. Next, 1 into 7 minus 6 into 3, 18. So एक matrix we got उसका transpose. Now this is equal to, that means you are finding out adjoint A. Adjoint A equal to, now we will take the transpose, or you can just make a calculation here. 28 here, you are getting 28. Okay, again you can do it. 28 plus 8, correct, 36. 16 minus 24 minus 8, minus 6 minus 4 minus 20, minus 4 minus 12 minus 16, 4 minus 8 minus 4, 6 plus 1 7, 24 minus this minus 4, 24 minus 8, 16, 7 minus is minus. Then iska transpose.